Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pupils Mentor. Here you can learn Edexcel International Mathematics A, Book 1 and Book 2. Today let's start with Book 1, Unit 1, Exercise 2, which is about multiplying fractions. Question number 1 states, giving your answers as fraction in their lowest term, work out. Now we take question number 1. 5 upon 18 times 3. If we write 3 as you can see is in the numerator. If nothing in it, is it a whole number? Then we think, and that's it for sure, that underneath in the denominator, it is carrying 1. So 5 upon 18 times 3 upon 1. How we simplify it? So when you have two fractions multiplied together, we can cancel any fractions denominator with the numerator of the other fractions. So 3 divides this. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. So we can write here 5 upon 6 times 1 upon 1. So 5 times 1 equal 5. And 6 times 1 equals 6. Mean we always multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And we wrote here 5 upon 6 and we cannot simplify it more. So we know this becomes in the lowest term. So this is the answer for question number 1. Now if we go for question number 2, this is 4 upon 5 times 3 upon 8. So again, we can cancel one's denominator with the numerator of the other fraction. So we cancel this 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Now we cannot cancel 3 and 5 together with a single number. So we have 1 upon 5 times 3 upon 2. We can write in a way 1 times 3 is 3 and 5 times 2 is 10. So this cannot be simplified anymore. So this one is the answer for question number 2. So now we write here question number 4. Question number 3. Now here 1 whole 3 upon 4 times 4 upon 7. As you know that this first fraction is actually mixed number, we need to convert it into the improper fractions. So we multiply 4 times 1. This one, the denominator will be multiplied with the whole number and the answer will be added with the numerator. So we write here 4 times 1 plus 3 upon 4. Times 4 upon 7. So we can write 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So we get here 7 upon 4 times 4 upon 7. And this becomes so easy now. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4. Now we need the times table, 7 times table. 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 1 is 7. We're getting here 1 times 1 upon 1 times 1. Means all unit 1. So this is your answer for question number 3. Now we look at for question number 4. Here 1 whole 1 upon 3 times 1 whole 1 upon 2. So now we convert them into the improper fractions. Again we multiply 3 with 1. So 3 times 1 plus 1 upon 3 times 2 times 1 plus 1 upon 2. We got here 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 3 times 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 upon 2. Now we got to know we can cancel both 3's with the 3 times table. So 3 times 1 is 3. Now this one, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So we got here 2 into 1 upon 1 into 1. So we here get 2. This is your answer. Understood? So now question number 5. Giving your answers as fraction in their lowest term, work out. Now we have the numbers in decimals. So how we do it? Okay, we write here question number 5. Question 5 states 0.8 times 5 upon 16. 0.8 means we convert this decimal into fraction. So we have this 0.8 means one number or one digit, non-zero digit after a decimal. So we write here 8 upon 10. If it would be more, then we could write here 8 upon 100. But right now it's only one number after the decimal. So we write only 1 0 in the denominator and we remove this decimal from it. So times 5 upon 16. Now we read the times table, 5 times table. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Now we read 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we got here 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, which makes 1 upon 4. As you multiply 1 with 1, we get 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the simplest form. Now we come up to question number 6. Here, 8 upon 9 times 0.75. This shows this one because you know this it is having 2 digits, non-zero digits after decimal. So we can convert it into as 75 upon 100 because there were 2 non-zero numbers after decimals. So we put 2 zeros in the denominator along with 1 and we remove this decimal from here. So now we can simplify it. We can simplify, if we know, we can divide this 75 and 100 taking its highest common factor, which might be 25. So we divide both numbers by 25. We get here 8 upon 9, it will remain as it is. 25 times 3 is 75 and 25 times 4 is 100. Now next we can again simplify it because 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Now we read the times table of 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. So got here 2 times 1 upon 3 times 1. So we got the answer 2 upon 3. This one is the answer for question number 6. Now we go for question number 7 and we can change the color so that we may identify. In color we can change into, let's see, we have the blue one now. Question 7. As you can see, this is 2 upon 5 times 3 upon 7 times 5 upon 6. We rewrite the question so that we may solve it. 2 by 5 times 3 by 7 times 5 by 6. Okay, now we find a number that 5, as you know, 5 is in the numerator of one fraction. So we cancel this 5. 5 times 1 is 5. And this 5 is in the denominator of this fraction because all these fractions are multiplying together. So we can cancel out 1 5 with the other 5. So we have 2 and 3 and 1 in the numerator, 1, 7 and 6 in the denominator. Again, we find out 6 is divisible by 3 or 2. We can take any one. So we take 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And again we have 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So we are left with 1 times 1 times 1. And down here we have 1 time 7 times 1. So again we got only 1 upon 7 here. This is the answer for question number 7. Now we come for question number 8, which states 3 upon 7 times 5 upon 6 times 1 whole 5 upon 9 times 1 whole 3 upon 15. Now, our first step is to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. We rewrite the other proper fractions as it is in the same form. So 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 6 we rewrite again. And now, as we know and we have done already, we multiply this denominator with the whole number and add the answer with 5. So 9 times 1 is 9, 9 plus 5, 14. 14 upon 9 times 15 times 1 is 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 upon 15. Now we check out which number is, we can cancel with the of denominator with the numerators of any fraction. So we see here this 5 times 1, 5 times 3, 15. So this 5 and 15 have cancelled each other with 1 and 3. Now we have 3 in the numerator of one fraction. So we write 3 ones are 3 and this 3 cancel out. 3 ones are 3. Now 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2, 18. Now we have the 6. Now we know 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 1, 1, 1 and this 2 in the numerator. So we rewrite them 1 times 1 times 1 times 2 over 1 times 3 times 1 times 1. So we are not missing any number. Up here 2 times all ones we get only 2 and 3 times all ones we get 3. So this is the answer for question number 8. Hope all of you understood it. If you do not understand anything or you need some more practice or you need some explanation, kindly do write in the comment box. Now question number 9. 3/7 of the songs in Riley's music library are rock songs. So 3/7. First of all, we check out with 3/7. Just a minute. So this is 3/7. 3 upon 7. In the Riley's music is 1 minute. Library are rock songs. Of the rock songs, 7/9 features a guitar solo. So then it will be multiplying 7/9, 7 upon 9. So what fraction of the songs in Riley's music library are rock songs featuring a guitar solo? So you just multiply these two fractions and cancel out. 7 times 1 is 7. Now 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. So we got here 1 times 1 in the numerator, 1 times 3 in the denominator, and we got 1 upon 3. This is the answer, or we can say 1 upon 3, 1/3 songs, rock songs featuring a guitar solo. So this is the answer. Now question number 10. Imogen was doing her music practice for 1/4 of an hour. Okay. Again, we have to make a pointer. All right. Now, 1/4 of an hour. 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4. First of all, we wrote here, for 2/3 of that time, she was practicing her scales. So now times 2/3, 2/3. Okay. For what fraction of an hour did she practice her scales? So now you will be simplifying these fractions. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So now we have 1 times 1 upon 2 times 3. So 1/6. This is 1/6. Is a fraction of an hour she practiced her scales. So this is the answer of your 10th question. Now, if you have any problem or queries, write down in the comments box below and I will get back to you. For daily lectures, subscribe my channel, like the video and click on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out upcoming lectures. Enjoy your day and see you in the next video. Thank you.